Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo funnel cake right at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need common pantry staples like all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, and eggs. The star ingredient, of course, is about 8 crushed Oreo cookies. For equipment, a deep pot for frying, a reliable thermometer, and a funnel or squeeze bottle are essential for success. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our special Oreo funnel cake batter. Begin by whisking your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly combine the wet and dry mixtures until just smooth, being careful not to overmix. Finally, gently fold in your crushed Oreo cookies for that signature flavor. Frying is key to that perfect crispy funnel cake. Heat 2 to 3 inches of neutral oil, such as vegetable or canola, in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a funnel or squeeze bottle, pour about 1/2 cup of batter into the hot oil in a swirling, crisscross motion. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown. Carefully remove the cooked funnel cake and place it on paper towels to drain any excess oil. The final step is all about making your Oreo funnel cake irresistible. While still warm, generously dust it with powdered sugar. For an extra special treat, add a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream and a drizzle of chocolate or caramel sauce. Don't forget to sprinkle on more crushed Oreo pieces and a dollop of whipped cream. Serve your delicious creation immediately to savor that perfect warm, crispy, and sweet combination. Enjoy your homemade carnival treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.